If you want to copy modules between projects in the Visual Basic Editor, you've got several different choices. Let's say I want to copy this original module from the Book 1 project into the Book 2 project. One fairly obvious way to do it, I suppose, would be to select all the text in the original module and then copy it to the clipboard. Insert a new module into the second project, and then just paste all the code in. That's simple enough, but a bit long-winded. Another option, if you want to keep a copy of the original module and want to import it later on into other projects, is to export it first. So I can right-click on the original module and then choose to export the file, choose somewhere to save it and then click Save. And then at a later stage, if you want to import it into a new project, you can right-click anywhere in that project, import file, and then double-click to import it. The quickest, simplest, easiest way to do this though, if you've got both projects open at the same time, is simply to click and drag one module from the original project somewhere on top of the project you want to copy it to. And that is the quickest, easiest way to do it by far. So, hope those tips are useful. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.